Good day, my name is Joshua. I'm back again, this time to show a breakdown and how the Joe pipe goes back together. You'll be able to get an idea of the assembly, of how everything is held in place. I'm just going to back up here. I'm still learning on this camera. Okay, that should do it. Don't want my head to get cut off this time. Alright. Put this over here. Starting to get dark here at Nanaimo. Okay, this is your flame pipe. About the average size. I've used them right from 1/2 inch all the way up to 4 inches in diameter, and right from a few inches long right up to just under 5 feet. My 5-foot pipe is the biggest one, and that's 4 inches in diameter. That's all stainless. There it goes into here. This is your propane line. You have your 3/8 clear plastic hose that's connected to some brake line, or just to keep things from burning up because this stuff does get hot. And then I have a brass bar up here that threads into the pipe, and I put a 3-inch sleeve of 3/8 copper, or I just tapped it on, so it'd allow the brass to cool a little bit. And you want to make sure it's tight, otherwise you're going to get propane leaking out. Alright. Just going to turn this around so we can see the fan. Need a camera guy. Okay, this is the back of your fan. I have it reduced down to 1.5 inch input, but if I took out the restrictor I could draw a good 3 inches. But because of the Joe pipe is very sensitive to high pressure, it was best to reduce it down. This is just a series of stainless steel steel plates made into a hexagon and 1/2 inch rebar. Try to make sure your holes are about 3/4 of an inch. Otherwise, you're going to be fighting this stuff. The fan here, I just jury rigged it so it kind of just sits there. Okay, this would be a good time to show this. This here is my master control. I'm going to make an updated version. This is your propane handle. It allows me to stand a ways away and be able to look directly into the flame and to adjust the amount of fuel going into the burn. And this is my switch to for the fan to regulate the speed of the fan. It gets kind of sticky at times. All right. Let's get this thing put together here. Well, also on your plates here, you can cut out your holes and just have some sections of pipe welded to the flat plate, and tap and drill some holes for the thumb screws. This allows you to place any size of pipe right from 1/2 inch right up to 2 inches, and it's there. You don't have to worry about it falling apart. This here is relatively new. This is an extension that I put on to set a series of plates on here, so actually I can make the fire go out sideways, and I'll be able to use it for a vertical test. Okay, inserting the pipe. Sometimes you're going to be fighting these thumb screws here. You have to file the tips down because they're a little bit too long. Come on, you. Forgot to put this piece in. It's more of a reducer to reduce it down. You don't really need it. It just helps. You can actually... Okay, I hear you. You can actually have a gap here as a flashback arrestor. Okay, I can stay there. Where's my hose? Goes in like this. Get it just hand tight. You don't want to over tighten it. Put on your piece of brake line or brake hose, your plastic line. Make sure you got your propane turned on. This is my power cord. I'm working on that. Stay there. Okay. Next video.